Oh man, I need my cigarette. Chapsticks, yeah, it gets dry in freaking winter, guys. To all the people that show me a love and support, I appreciate it. To all the haters, keep on hating. To all the fucking haters, keep on hating, motherfuckers. We got a really good series coming up in the works tonight. I might go out and start that series tonight. I already hit up my boy, Jesse. Wish I was with Jesse's girl. I wish I had Jesse's girl. Fucking man. Shout out to my dude Jesse, huh? He's got a good redemption story. Same here, I have a good redemption story. I wish I had Jesse's girl. Có đếm 1, 2, 3 không? 1, 2, 3. I wish I had Jesse's girl. Let's go. Maybe it's the tide of the live. I don't know. We are the city of champions, though. Shit. Did he hit me up with a shadow ban? What the fuck's going on? I'll be back in 5 seconds. Shadow ban, and you guys didn't turn on all notifications, and it's alright. Not blaming anybody. Just you have to go back to the YouTube app and turn on all notifications. You know where you hit the subscribe button, unsubscribe, resubscribe, go up 1 notch. Yeah. What about instant offer? Go ahead, bro. What about it? What about it? Streamer. Yes. The one and only Colorado streamer. Where do we get instant offer, like main offer on instant offer? Alright, that's easy. Give me 1 second. Let me warm up the freaking car. Hang on, buddy. I need you to smash that like though. Por favor. Por favor, let's go. Let me warm up the car and I'll answer your question, my guy. City on fire. I'm coming home. Amazon Flex. Alright. Let me sign in first. Alright. My dude asked about Amazon Flex. Here it is. They changed the logo to blue now. I don't know why, but whatever. It used to be orange. What do you fucking heck, man? What the hell? Yeah, Flex been really dead, guys, until fucking, I don't know, man, until it snows around Thanksgiving. Cyber Monday, what is it? Cyber Monday? Yeah. Oh, man, fuck, I need air as well, and gas. Whew. Alright, and schedule. What? Your dash offers. So where you go offers, click on that. See? And then that's all the hot spots. It's usually Whole Foods and whatchamacallit, what's the other one? Shit. Amazon Fresh or Amazon Prime Now. This is Whole Foods. Whole Foods. I believe that's Whole Foods, yeah. So let me read the question again. Where do you get instant offer, like on main offer? Okay, once again, once again, see, offers. This is one of my fucking background apps. So offers, I think offers. That, click on this. So you have to turn it on to get it. That's off. Okay, that's off right now. That's on. That's off. And make sure your Bluetooth is on. Make sure Bluetooth. And then it goes by proximity. So it helps if you're close to the fucking Whole Foods or Prime Now warehouse or Amazon Fresh. Yeah. So that's Amazon